What was your first thought when you came here? Are these twists or do they look like dreads? Girl, you have to choose one. You have 8 minutes to decide on whether you're making this hairstyle or not. You're not going to regret it if you watch till the end. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to transform my very thin, fine hair to this fluffy twist, fluffy and loose twist in 8 minutes. You girls, it is time to transform your twist game. Come on, be versatile. There are a lot of hairstyles. I'm tired of seeing you all doing one particular kind of hairstyle every day. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this twist fluffy, juicy without any special product. Girl, if you have your leave-in conditioner, you are good to go. And trust me, when you are done with this video, you will come to the comment section to tell me thank you. Make sure you're well seated. Grab a tea, coffee, something, just make you comfortable. Get a good chair. Make sure you're wearing good glasses if you can't see properly. Because, girl, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this. My name is Space. Welcome to my channel. And without wasting much time, let's go to this video. At the end of this video, you'll be transformed and you will leave this place life changed, yes, and transformed. Welcome on board, and let's go straight to our video. Okay, so first things first, you guys would have been used to my face by now. The OGs here, you already know this, that I always do this, show my hair state before I start. We're going to be using rat tail comb, a hair tie, and the leave-in conditioner. Girl, my leave-in conditioner is done, like it is finished. So I saw this in the supermarket and I grabbed it. It is Mega Growth leave-in conditioner and it comes in sachet. It is very, very affordable. I got this for 200 naira per one, and so that's like less than 2 cents, girls. All right, let's go further. It doesn't mean that if you don't have Mega Growth leave-in conditioner you can't do the extra. Any leave-in conditioner we go, you don't need to spray your hair with water like the last time we did something like this. With leave-in conditioner you're good to go, because I have come to realize that leave-in conditioner is water based and it helps your hair get moisturized also. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's go straight to line parting. I always advise to part your hair the way you can work with, okay, like the way I have done in this video. If you're new to hair parting, just divide your hair into sections that you can work with. And I'm already used to my parts by now. I don't use mirrors anymore, but if you can't, then you have to get someone to help you, or you have to get mirrors or your TV or your laptop, or if you can't at all, then you have to just show your hairdresser what I am doing. Once you are done, I'm going to be working with very tiny portions, very tiny parts. Last time I talked about this, I said I was scared of using tiny parts because I thought my hair was too thin to do this. But now I tried this again, and honestly, it was good. All you have to do, get your part, rub in some leave-in conditioner, just a little. Do not go in with much leave-in conditioner. Braid your hair 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or if you can't, go ahead to do that with 7, 8, 9 to 10 braids. Once you are comfortable, then you start to twist. Make it as loose as you can. Yes, and yes, I want to warn you that your twist will appear the way the texture of your hair is. So don't worry, it's all going to be fine. Our black hair, our afro hair is versatile. No matter how your texture is, no matter your hair type, no matter what, this is going to turn out very beautiful. I'm going to be doing this again so that you can see what I did. Getting a little portion, go around with leave-in conditioner, and then begin to braid. I think I worked from 6 to 8 braids. I can't remember. Once you are satisfied with that, you can now start twisting. I'm using the right hand method of twisting here, where I'm going backwards. But after this part, I'm going to be showing you how I use the left method of twisting, so that you know that no matter the way you are twisting, this is still going to turn out very beautiful. This hairstyle is so simple, and ladies, I made this hair in less than 3 hours. I mean, 2 hours I was already done when I just did my aftermath, just went in with oil and all. That was just 3 hours. Less than that, girl, I was done. If you have someone who is very, very fast, you'll be done with 2 hours. Trust me. You can see how the twists are looking very juicy already. Girl, I am feeling it. So, this was the right hand method of twisting. And then I'm going to be showing you how I use the left hand method of twisting in a shivi. So, all you have to do is just sit back and watch. Girl. All right, as you can see, I'm using the left hand method, and honestly, I won't lie to you, this is way faster for me. So, I would advise that you get comfortable with the twist method that is faster for you. It's going to give you the same result. Trust me, once there's leave-in conditioner and you are twisting loosely, it's going to give you the same result. That was it. Very, very simple. Everybody, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Let me also know where you're watching me from. I want to give you a shout out. I want to know where all my viewers are coming from. This is how it looks like. This is how the left hand method looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up. I went ahead and used the left hand method because I found out that I was faster and it was giving the vibes that I expected to. So, like I said, everybody give this video a like. Yeah, support your girl. It helps with the algorithm. It helps to push my video further to other viewers. And I want to say a very big thank you to the support so far. It has been amazing. You guys have been blowing my mind with the way you have been supporting me in sharing my video, liking my video. And honestly, for a small YouTuber like me, it means a lot, and I'm so grateful. Also, I'm going to be doing a free natural hair training where I'm going to be explaining your hair types, because I noticed that a lot of your girlies don't even know your hair types properly, and your hair types, your hair texture, your curl pattern. All you have to do is to follow the description box. You will see a link that will take you to my WhatsApp channel. Join the channel. It is free. It is absolutely free. Join the channel, and I'm going to be telling you when I'll be holding the free training. You girl, I'll be expecting you there, right? So just go to the description box and you will see the link there. That's all. Support your girl, and I'll be waiting for you. You guys, I love you all. Now we are at the front, and I don't know if you saw the way the hair was bouncing already. It was giving. Girl, this hair was giving, and I absolutely loved it. I love that I was able to do this. I was so scared that because my hair was thin and I was only seeing these on thick girls, on girls with thick hair. But I decided to try it and see. If anyone would tell you that my hair is fine, like it is thin, would you have believed after watching this? No, so don't be scared. Like I said, we are so blessed as Afro girls. Our hair is so versatile. You can literally do whatever you want to do with this hair, which is why I am so pissed with girls that do not rock their Afro hair. Like, girl, what would you lose? A few inches. Make your hair. Make your hair and experiment with. I mean, that is why God gave you that hair. So make it up. And if you're scared of trying out style, all you have to do is stick to this channel, go through my other videos, go through my playlist, and you will see styles that you can try. Thank you so much for getting to this point. I just decided to do a few styles. I'm not so great at styling my hair. Don't get me. I'm not so great at styling my twist or my braids, but I try. So I just went ahead to do just few styles to show you that you can rock these hairstyles in different ways. If you love this video, come on, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section, let me know where you are watching me from, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.